Good morning, students. How are you? Okay. Stay home and stay safe. Already, it's paper 2 in mathematics, coordinate geometry. I will started. 7.2 exercise completed. Now started 7.3 exercise. In before exercise, one formula is there. That is the area of the triangle. Already you know that formula. Suppose you can take A, that is first versus A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. These are three vertices of a triangle. If you find area of the triangle, this area you want to find. Now formula is area of the triangle. Area of the triangle ABC is formula I can write half into modulus of x1. That one first verse. x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Modulus close. Okay. Area is positive value, so you can put in moduluses. Area of the triangle ABC equal to half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Simply you can remember that is first starting x1. Okay, abscissa value x1 first coordinate. Next that is x1 value first. Next order after 1, 2, 3. Okay, x1 after x2 you write. Okay, 2 after 3, 1. Okay, y4 not there, so 3 after you can get 1. Next x3. x3 after 1, 2. Okay, simply remember that formula. Okay, this formula using 7.3 exercise problems is there. So first you write first problem, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 3 bits is there in first problem, 3 bits is there. Okay, now you can take second bit only. Okay, first bit and third bit you do in homework. Okay, second bit only you can write here -5 -1, that is first vertices. Second vertices is 3 comma -5 and third vertices is 5 comma 2. This is the given 3 vertices. Okay, you find the area of the triangle whose vertices are these 3 vertices. Same model, this one A, B, C. Use this formula. Okay, now solution. Write given vertices. Given vertices are A, first vertices is -5, -1. Second vertices is B, 3 comma -5. And C, third vertices, C, 5 comma. These are the given 3 vertices. Given vertices are. Okay. You find area of the triangle. So you write the formula. Area of the triangle. Okay. First A x1 y1. Okay. Next vertices B x2 y2. And third one and C x3 y3 are the 3 vertices of a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Then area of the triangle ABC equal to, then area of the triangle ABC equal to half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, already first you can discuss the formula. Same you can write it here. x3 into y1 minus y2. Modulus close. Okay, now I substitute these 3 points A, B, C. Okay, First one A minus 5 minus 1, and second one B 3 comma minus 5, and last one and C 5 comma 2 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Then area of triangle ABC. Then area of triangle ABC. Okay, now in substitute formula half into modulus of x1. Here you write simply x1 y1. Here x2 y2. Here x3 y3. Okay, you substitute now. First one x1. x1 means how much here? Minus 5. Next y2 minus y3. x1 into after y2 minus y3. y2 means here minus 5. Minus y3. y3 means already in formula minus you write. y3 value is 2. Next plus this one first one. Next first term is over. Next second term x2. x2 means value 3. Next y3. y3 value is 2. Minus formula minus is there, so minus you write. Next one value y1. Already y1 is minus 1, so again minus 1 you write. Plus x3. x3 means value is 5. Third term, that one x3 is 5. Next y1 minus y2. y1 is minus 1. Next formula minus you write. Again y2. y2 already minus 5 is there, so minus of minus 5. Modulus closed. Simplify now of modulus of, first you simplify in the bracket values. Minus 5 minus 2, that is minus 7, plus 3 of minus into minus plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3, plus 5 into minus 1, minus 1, again minus into minus plus, that is equal to plus 5. Modulus close. Now you write simplify of modulus of minus into minus plus 5 into 7 35. 5 7 is 35 you write. First term over. Next second term plus 3 3 is 9. Second term also 9. Now third term. Third term is 5 into 5. Here minus 1 plus 5. In bracket value 4. 5 minus 1 means 4. Okay. Now simplify 5 4s also. That is equal to half into modulus of 35 plus 9 plus last term is 5 4s are 20. Okay, simplify now half into modulus of 35 plus 9. 35 plus 9 means 44. 44 plus 20, that is equal to 64. Modulus of 64. Now positive value. So again modulus no need you write positive value. 64 by 2. Simplify 32. So the value of area of the triangle is you get 32 square units. Now you write required area of the triangle is area of the triangle is 32 square units. Area you write square units. So you write square units. That is second bit only. First problem, second bit. Same model, first bit also there and also third bit also there. So children, you practice first bit. That is, I write here first bit. Homework bits. Okay, 2 bits. First one is first bit. 7.3 exercise. First problem, first bit. 2 comma 3. This is A. X1 Y1 value. And B minus 1 comma 0. And C 2 comma minus 4. This is first bit. Second bit here doing already completed. Now third bit. Third bit also same model. Points are 0 comma 0 and 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 2. So these 2 bits you practice now, same model. Okay, first problem is enough. Okay, thank you.